In this video, we will show you an easy way to sort the colors of a design in order to optimize color changes. Suppose you have a design like that, where a combination of different colors blends into the design in different areas in a way that creates too many color changes during production. To make life easier, we need to take some action. Auto-optimization organizes some colors whenever possible. But in cases like that, this is not enough. Yet, we can simply correct this with only a few clicks. Let's see how it works. First of all, if the multiple colors are grouped together, we'll need to ungroup them first. Now, each part can be selected separately. Now, let's switch to manual mode to see the embroidery sequence. If you take a look now at the sequence manager, you'll see the individual shapes of the design. If you scroll down, you'll see that there are 64 different icons. You can select any icon you like and drag it before or after one of the same color in order to optimize the sequence. This would take quite some time to manage all colors, so let's see the shortcut. Go to Used Colors, right-click on any color, and use the option Select by Fill Color. Now, all objects filled with this particular color get selected. Nice, huh? So, you can see them selected on the design area and on the Sequence Manager. Now, go to Sequence Manager, right-click on one of the selected icons and use the option Join Together. This will bring all the objects of the same color next to the one you right-clicked on the embroidery sequence. So all these blue parts will now be embroidered one after the other. Likewise, you can sort all the other colors. At this point, we need to mention that using this icon on top of the Sequence Manager, all the sequential objects or shapes with the same color are grouped into one icon. Let us have a better view. Follow the same procedure for all the colors. Eventually, you will have this colorful design ready with only 8 color changes, that is just as many as the number of the design colors.